So why is it asking me to add water when it's like at 6 cups? So I'm gonna go ahead and add more water, but okay, so it turned off. I didn't want to add too much water because I'm at the point where this thing is not working. Okay, so I just got this yesterday. And I'm gonna put an ounce. It's telling me to add water. Okay. And you saw that I just put water, and you saw how much water is in there in the water tank, but it's saying there's no water. So, to make this happy, 10. And now that's a full tank. However, okay, now I'm going to select, because it says the next thing to do is select your size. So I'm going to put this cup here, and I'm going to select 8 ounces. Nothing. So it had me put 12 cups of water, but then yet it's not working at all. Okay, so we're gonna open it and close it again. Still nothing. So I was like, let me just go ahead, turn it off. So you see that I turned it off. Pick this up, took this out. Everything's off. Going to put this back in because I have already wasted I don't know how many of these K-cups trying to get this machine to work. They all light up. I'm gonna pick 8 ounces and nothing again. Okay. It makes a little clicking sound and that's it. Like it doesn't even suck up the water. So I tried this side, and I don't know if you can hear that, but this side is gonna give me, let's see, earlier it only gave me like a teaspoon of water. Let's see how much it's gonna give me now. It gave me steam. That is supposed to be 8 ounces of water. That's it. I do not recommend this.
Well, it's trying to work. It does a little splash, and then nothing. It's less than 3 months old. Bought it on September 29th of 2023. It is now January 3rd of 2024. This thing, I have descaled it multiple times. I have reset the scaler multiple times, and it does nothing. This is the second time I've bought this machine, and it has done the same thing. It is so useless and not worth the money. So I will be going back to my Hamilton because they are a much better quality of coffee maker duo.
Love the Keurig. I've been using Keurigs for a while. Always have a hard time picking which one I want because I like a couple of things. I want it to brew fast, and I like it to let me know if I don't have a pod in and things like that. So I got this one because I want to be able to put a pot of coffee on too when my last one broke. So disappointing. To start a cup of coffee, you always have to turn the heater on. So you got to wait for the thing to heat up before it'll even brew. So disappointing. That just totally irks me. I picked this one over the Cuisinart because I know the Cuisinart takes forever. So, and it doesn't really do anything special otherwise. I was so frustrated with this. Pick something else.
You can see in the corner here, it's broken. There's a piece out right here. And cracked there. And the major parts are cracked. There's a big crack here. Goes all the way down. And this here is broken. I haven't the foggiest notion how it happened. It's just all plastic, so obviously that was pretty easy. Okay, thank you very much.